All right, we are here. Thursday, about 6 o'clock. Lifeguards are gone. Jackie's getting hammered. Big waves today. Big waves today. Lifeguard warned everybody, don't go out there. I guess he had a bunch of saves today. And said, I'm not going to be there to save anybody else. So, having to watch Jackie very closely. I just came in from my boogie board session. Good waves, a little bit of a washing machine, but you can see some nice waves coming in. Girls are having a good time, getting hammered a little bit. They like, that's Ashley, Mary's friend. Jackie there, Mary heading on out, the boogie boarder out there, and having a great time. Beautiful summer day, about 80 degrees, good waves. What more could you ask for?